Is this one gonna shoot into the air?
No.
Oh. It's explosion time.
There's no way to...
Oh, this is one of the loud ones, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna keep the camera up in the air as soon as. Oh my.
Oh, isn't that loud?
Or not.
Where did it go?
Where's it gonna land?
Right? I feel like we're missing a big kaboom.
Right? Did the other one go?
Oh, what is that? I need to know.
Wow!
Here we go.
And then the debris.
I wish I could see your mom's face when these go off.
Golden ball.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, we're waiting with words.
Purple tail into golden
Oh,
palm.
yes. Take a step back.
With the world's shortest fuse, here we go.
Wow.
Hey, wow, that was goldeny palm.
I can hear the debris.
Right?
It's my favorite part. It's really funny. It's just flying all over the house.
Drink some beer.
Right?
Take a bomb. Light.
Rockets bursting in air. Really gritty towards the bottom.
I did not like that.
So,
Decisions. Got lots more of these.
Light them all the motors off at the same time.
let's just do that.
Yeah. Oh man, this one's gonna explode it. This one's gonna go boom.
Yeah, this one's gonna be really
Oh wait, this one's gonna.
Oh
Look, jinxed it.
Oh, there we go.
That's why you don't come up on them.
Yep.
Wow! It tries so hard.
It does. It gets an A for effort.
It does. I
Smiley
like it.
sticker. Hey.
Yeah, that one.
Let's get wild and crazy.
Wild and crazy. Then some more lyrics come after that. That was it, right?
Yes.
Good.
Wonder how many people have lost their hands so far.
A lot.
What? Yeah.
20,000 people a day lose their hands. I mean, every
Dang.
every 4th of July, 20,000 people lose their hands.
Is that true? Where did you
Yes.
Ow.
Mhm.
One of those crackles was like right there, like eye level.
Yeah.
Parachute guy.
There was smoke just drifting through the air.
I don't know.
Duct taped one all around a Razer motor. Razer. You know those phones?
This product shoots flaming balls.
It destroyed the
Yeah,
heck out
let's
of
do
it.
just one of those probably, and that might be it. We'll see.
We need to do all those.
Give me your knife.
What color should we do? Probably not white.
Graham, if this makes you explode, how will you feel?
A little burnt.
Are you ready to try and be exploded?
Yes. What's
Alright.
there sand in here?
We're gonna die.
All right, everybody behind Brooke's car.
I'm going behind you, Kyle. Oh my.
Whoa.
Nice.
That was
I can hear the debris. Oh, it fell right next to me somewhere. I'm gonna just keep this one on the air.
was pretty wild.
Still got the car.
Hey.
Me.
It didn't get your car.
Good as.
Oh sh!
Everyone get back! Whoa!
Hey, the camera turned off.
Oh, it fell over.
Did you put it on its side?
Nope.
Wow.
The carnage.
That was way better than the big one.
We'll just tip the little one over it, light the fireworks, be like, "Whee! I'm on Highness." After the week, I'm gonna have to upload these videos.
Wow, that's burning so fast.
It's raining debris. Where is it?
Not so much with that one. That's all you get?
Is this crazy?
Now we're getting crazy.
You know, I don't think you had to do too many more of those.
Yeah, I think that was the.
Hey!
This is like how they would show the more.
Yeah!
Oh,
Yeah!
Daredevil.
You hurt its feelings.